Unlock the secret to explosive dropshipping sales by mastering the art of user-generated content, or UGC ads. In today's crowded online marketplace, authenticity is king, and UGC ads are your golden ticket to building trust and driving conversions. So, how do you get your hands on compelling user content? Start by actively encouraging your happy customers. This could involve post-purchase emails asking for reviews with photos or videos, or even running a hashtag campaign to showcase your products in action. Look for reviews that not only praise the product but also show it being used in a real-life setting. This is pure gold for your ad creatives. Now, it's time to showcase what makes your product amazing. Don't just show the product. Show the benefit it provides from your customer's perspective. Are your customers raving about how easy it is to use, or how it solved a specific problem for them? Feature those exact testimonials and demonstrations in your ads. Think about which key product features are most impactful for your audience and weave them seamlessly into the UGC you select. Next, we assemble these powerful pieces into irresistible ads. Combine short, impactful video clips of customers, superimpose clear text overlays highlighting key benefits, and ensure you're using the actual customer's words where possible. Keep your video clips concise and to the point. Think 15-30 seconds for maximum engagement. Add background music that matches your brand's vibe and energy. Your call to action should be crystal clear. Shop now, learn more, or get yours today. Guide them directly to your product page. By showcasing genuine customer experiences, you build immediate credibility and foster a deeper connection with potential buyers. This authentic approach not only boosts your conversion rates, but also establishes a strong brand presence, turning satisfied customers into your most powerful marketing assets. Start creating your UGC dropshipping ads today.